Okay, this might be the best burger yet. We've got bacon cheeseburger with grilled mushrooms and onion. Topped it off with some sriracha mayo, burger spread. Got a nice pickle on the side. Oh yeah, ciabatta bun. That's why we got the square patty going on. Let's give it a try. All right, here's the taste test. Let's give it a try. Burger is cooked to perfection. The ciabatta bun really makes it. This is where it's at right here, guys. Hey guys.
Mimi. Mimi.
Buddy. Excuse me. You got poop on your butt. Alright, I think that's the last of them. Let's try. Okay, today is a little bit of a backpacking day. We're probably just going to do a day hike, possibly overnight. We're prepared for an overnight, but what we're truly trying to do is just condition ourselves to the altitude. Kelly got sick last hike, so we are going to try to prevent that for our future long distance hikes. So we are now currently on a portion of the Colorado Trail, Continental Divide. Here we go. We made it up to Lily Ponds. This is just beautiful. Look at that.
Rough day. Lunchtime goodness.
Oh, we came upon this old shelter here. No real signage to indicate what it is, but peek inside. Kind of random. There's a receipt from Kaiser Permanente for prescription drugs. Kind of weird. Looks like there was maybe a chimney up here. Shelter.